What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to buy Trump coin on Bullx. To do this, the process is very simple, quick and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. First, log into your Bullx account and head over to your wallet manager to see your available balance. Now once you're on your wallet manager, make sure you have some Solana in your wallet. Now after that, we'll head back to main Bullx and search Trump coin right here. Go to the search bar, select this one, and wait for the main analytical dashboard to load. It will show you this kind of display as the coin is pumping very much. And if you swipe down, you will see different kind of sections right here, the trades that are being occurred on this coin. Now to buy, simply select this buy option right here and enter the amount that you want to buy. For example, 0.01. You can also select from your presets, and once you select it, simply go and click on this buy option and your trade would be executed. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.